Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and enable the Windows Defender tamper protection on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in Windows Security. Best result should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up and then select Virus and Threat Protection on the left side. And now on the right side, versus Virus and Threat Protection Settings, select Manage Settings. And then scrolling down again, Tamper Protection, prevent others from tampering with important security features. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.